Hi, this is Tim. This is a quick video for OnlyOffice, and in this video we're going to be looking at drawing a table in the word processor for the desktop version of OnlyOffice. I am using OnlyOffice on Ubuntu 20. So I'm going to first enter a space here, and then I'm going to go to the Insert ribbon, and then as you can see the Insert table, I'm going to click the arrow, and so I can do the grid, for example, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go down to this feature called Draw a Table, and I'm going to click it, and what it will allow me to do is start drawing a one cell, one row, one column table, and then enter some text in it. I'm just going to say hello world, and then actually I'm going to go ahead and go back up to the draw table, and I'm going to start drawing my table by entering a vertical line to create two columns, and then I'm going to do that again to create two rows. And this, you might be thinking right now, well, it's be just as easy to just use the grid or one of the other techniques to create a preset table, but you can do things like create unequal columns and rows. Like, for example, I'm going to draw a second line here, create two more rows and these rows don't stretch all the way across. I'm going to do that again, and so then I'm going to click and kind of delete that and say top left, bottom left. I'm going to write top one, top two, bottom one, and bottom two. And so you can create tables of unusual design, kind of like I did here with two main rows that are broken in the second column of each row into smaller rows. And then you can also create the table so you can create so it stretches all the way across, or can easily fit into a paragraph of text, kind of like I did now. And it's fairly easy to then move the table around, kind of like that. So that's basically an overview of how you can draw your own table in OnlyOffice's word processor application. You can learn more about OnlyOffice and different applications on the OS College YouTube channel. You can also learn about them and other Office suites on the OS College website. You can either watch videos, there's web pages and articles as well, and we also have several different social media sites. Thank you for watching.